Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're exploring the Greek alphabet, 24 letters that have shaped history, science, and language. From alpha to omega, each letter has a story and a unique meaning. You've seen these symbols everywhere, from math equations to brand logos. Let's uncover the power and purpose behind each letter. Alpha. Alpha is the first letter of the Greek alphabet, symbolizing beginnings and leadership. It's often associated with being the first or the best, like an alpha leader. In science, it's used for concepts like alpha particles in physics. Beta. Beta is the second letter of the Greek alphabet, representing what comes after alpha. It's commonly used in technology, like in beta testing for software before its final release. In finance, it measures market risk with the beta coefficient. Gamma. Gamma is the third letter of the Greek alphabet, symbolizing strength and energy. It's known for gamma rays in physics, which are powerful, high-energy electromagnetic waves. In math, the gamma function extends the concept of factorial to complex numbers. Delta. Delta is the fourth letter of the Greek alphabet, often symbolizing change or difference. In math and science, it's used to denote a change in quantity, like delta X for change in position. In geography, a delta is the fertile land formed at a river's mouth. Epsilon. Epsilon is the fifth letter of the Greek alphabet, representing small quantities or precision. In math, it's often used to indicate an arbitrarily small number in calculus. In astronomy, epsilon can refer to stars, like Epsilon Eridani. Zeta. Zeta is the sixth letter of the Greek alphabet, frequently appearing in mathematics and physics. It's famous for the Riemann zeta function, crucial in number theory and prime numbers. In fluid dynamics, zeta can also represent a damping ratio. Eta. Eta is the seventh letter of the Greek alphabet, often symbolizing efficiency in physics and engineering. It's used to represent efficiency factors like thermal or mechanical efficiency. In astronomy, Eta is also the name of notable stars, such as Eta Carini. Theta. Theta is the eighth letter of the Greek alphabet, commonly representing angles in geometry. In trigonometry, it's often used to denote an unknown angle. In physics, it can also symbolize temperature difference or potential energy. Iota. Iota is the ninth letter of the Greek alphabet, symbolizing something very small or minimal. The phrase, "not one iota," means not even the tiniest amount. In mathematics, it's used for imaginary numbers, where I represents the square root of -1. Kappa. Kappa is the 10th letter of the Greek alphabet, often representing a constant or coefficient in physics and engineering. In mathematics, it's used to symbolize curvature or the dielectric constant. Kappa also appears in popular culture, such as in team names and brands. Lambda. Lambda is the 11th letter of the Greek alphabet, commonly used to represent wavelength in physics. In mathematics, it's used to symbolize eigenvalues and functions in linear algebra. Lambda also represents the concept of leadership in ancient Greek armies. Mu. Mu is the 12th letter of the Greek alphabet, widely used to represent the microprefix indicating 1/1,000,000th of a unit. In physics, it stands for the coefficient of friction or magnetic permeability. It's also used in statistics to denote the mean or average of a dataset. Nu. Nu is the 13th letter of the Greek alphabet, often used to represent frequency in physics and wave theory. In mathematics, it can denote a random variable or a specific type of mathematical function. Nu also appears in fluid dynamics to symbolize kinematic viscosity. Xi. Xi is the 14th letter of the Greek alphabet, often used in mathematics and science to represent random variables or complex quantities. In statistics, it denotes a statistical distribution or process. In chemistry, Xi is sometimes used to represent certain molecular structures. Omicron. Omicron is the 15th letter of the Greek alphabet, often used in science and mathematics to represent small quantities. It gained attention during the COVID-19 pandemic as the name for a variant of the virus. In astronomy, Omicron is used to name specific stars such as Omicron Ceti. Pi. Pi is the 16th letter of the Greek alphabet, famously representing the mathematical constant approximately equal to 3.14159. It is essential in geometry, relating the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. Pi also appears in various scientific formulas across mathematics, physics, and engineering. Rho. Rho is the 17th letter of the Greek alphabet, commonly used to represent density in physics and engineering. In mathematics, it can symbolize a correlation coefficient or a radial distance. Rho is also used in fluid dynamics to represent mass density in a given volume. Sigma. Sigma is the 18th letter of the Greek alphabet, widely used to represent summation in mathematics, such as in summing series or sequences. In statistics, it denotes standard deviation, a measure of data spread. Sigma also appears in physics to represent the Stefan-Boltzmann constant in thermodynamics. Tau. Tau is the 19th letter of the Greek alphabet, commonly used to represent time in physics and engineering. In mathematics, it is used to denote the ratio of a circle's circumference to its radius, approximately 6.28. Tau is also used in statistics to represent Kendall's tau, a measure of correlation. Epsilon. Epsilon is the 20th letter of the Greek alphabet, often used in particle physics to represent certain subatomic particles, like the epsilon meson. In mathematics, it can symbolize a function or specific value. Epsilon is also seen in astronomy to denote particular stars, such as Epsilon Andromeda. Phi. Phi is the 21st letter of the Greek alphabet, most famously representing the golden ratio, approximately 1.618, a number seen in nature, art, and architecture. In physics, it's used to denote a magnetic potential or flux. Phi also appears in philosophy, representing wisdom or enlightenment. Chi. Chi is the 22nd letter of the Greek alphabet, often used in statistics to represent the chi-squared test, a method for analyzing data. In mathematics, it can denote certain variables or functions. Chi is also associated with the Greek word for Christ, often seen in Christian symbolism. Psi. Psi is the 23rd letter of the Greek alphabet, widely used in psychology to represent the study of the mind and behavior. In physics, it represents wave functions in quantum mechanics, describing the behavior of particles. Psi is also used in neuroscience to denote certain types of brain activity or signals. Omega. Omega is the 24th and final letter of the Greek alphabet, symbolizing the end or the ultimate limit. It is commonly used in physics to represent ohms, the unit of electrical resistance. In popular culture, omega often signifies the final or greatest, such as in the phrase, the alpha and the omega. And that's our quick guide to the Greek alphabet. Each letter has a story, from math and science to history and language. Which letter was your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more fascinating topics.